Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-65096 error in Oracle database 12c. So here I am going to log in as a sysassist DBA, that is I am going to log into the DBA account in SQL Plus editor. So I log in as a DBA account, sysassist DBA. Okay. So I think you will have full privilege now. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am going to create one user. Okay, create user demo admin. Create user demo admin. Identified by password. So I am giving some password. So let it be tiger. Okay, you can see that ORA-65096 invalid common user or whole name. So while creating user, you need to mention whether it is a common user or a pluggable database user. So this is the common user. Okay, so you need to mention the prefix C##. Okay, C## means common user. Okay, so now I have corrected the query, create user C## demo admin identified by tiger. So this is a valid SQL query, and also this is the fix for ORA-65096.